Hello, this is Luis at Classic Cars of Palm Beach, located in Jupiter, Florida. Our phone number is 561-529-3101. This is a condition walk-around video of this 2022 Audi S8 with 6,500 miles. We make these videos for our out-of-town buyers, out-of-state, that cannot come and see these cars in person. So again, this is a condition walk-around video. It's not intended to hype up the car in any way or form, just to show any imperfections. That way when you receive your car, there is no surprises. I'm gonna just do a quick walk around, and then we'll kind of focus on the front, rear, and the two sides of the car. I'll also show you the interior of the car. Just want to show the condition of the wheels as well, to show if they have any imperfections. These are 265/35/21s, and they are excellent condition, E0s. Headlights look good, they're not faded or cracked. These cars do sit up pretty low. They do raise up as needed. Going here, the front of the car looks very nice and clean, no scratches. Things like this is just dirt. The hood of the car looks amazing as well, no rock chips. This, what you're seeing right here, is dirt. That's dirt. No dings on the door. No visible dings on the rear door. This is the rear driver's side wheel. Just want to show that there. It is dirty, but it's not scratched up or anything like that. Going on the side of this car, quarter panel looks very nice. The rear of this car is, love the style of this. LED all the way across the trunk. Quad exhaust. Of course, it's active. Now on the passenger side here, passenger side quarter panel looks really nice. With 6,500 miles on it, it's not really going to have any blemishes or anything like that. It's still under factory warranty. Rear door, driver's side door. This car looks overall in extremely good condition. It being a 2022 with only 6,500 miles, it's just what to expect from a car like this. The interior as well, I mean, this is like new condition. The seats have no wear on them. Does not smell like a smoker's car. Does not smell like pet in here. Smells like a brand new car. Huge amounts of room back here. Beautiful interior. This folds down here, and the rear passengers have their own climate control heated seats. Storage here with 2 USBs, and of course the passage to the trunk. Carbon fiber throughout this vehicle. If you have any questions or would like to see another video of this car, drivability, engine, things like that, please reach out to us. 561-529-3101. Thank you.